Let me ask you something. If your car broke down tomorrow and the repair cost is $800, could you pay for it without using a credit cards? If the answer is no, or even if you are not sure, then this video is the most important video you will watch this year. Because today I am going to show you exactly how to build a $1,000 emergency fund in just 30 days, even if you are living paycheck to paycheck right now. Welcome back to the Wild Truth, where we make personal finance simple, practical, and life changing. I am Max, and if you are new here, welcome to the family. Hit the subscribe button right now, you never miss any video. So, today we are talking about the very foundation of financial security, your emergency fund. This is the step one of every financial plan. Before investing, before paying off debt, before anything else, you need this $1,000 cushion. And here is exactly how to build it. Now you might be thinking, why only $1,000? Shouldn't I save 3 to 6 months of expenses? Yes, eventually, but not right now. Here is the psychology behind starting with 1000. Small goals are achievable fast, and when you achieve them, you build momentum. The momentum is what keeps you going. Thinking about it this way, 1000s cover most common financial emergencies: a car repair, a medical bill, a broken appliances, a surprise travel cost, an unexpected bill. Without 1000 saved, any of these emergencies forces you onto a credit card with 20% interest, which means one emergency become month of debt. With 1000 saved, you handle it, pay cash, move on, no stress. So, how do you save 1000 in 30 days? Let me show you the simple math. 1000 divided by 30 days is $33.33 per day. That's all you need to find. $33 per day. Now I know what you are thinking. I don't have an extra $33 per day, and that is completely fair. So let me show you exactly where to find that money. There are 5 ways to find your 1000 fast. Number 1. Sell things you no longer need. Go around your home right now. Old clothes, electronics, furniture, books, shoes, toys. List them on Facebook marketplaces, eBay, or Craigslist. Most people find $200 to $500 worth of stuff in their own home. And number 2. Cut one subscription for 30 days. Look at your bank statement right now, like Netflix, Hulu, gym membership, meal kits, magazine. Cancel just one for 30 days and redirect that money to the savings. Even $15 to $50 per month add up fast. Number 3. Do a no spend weekend. For 2 weekends this month, spend nothing. No dining out, no shopping, no entertainment spending. Cook at home. Use what you already have. Most people save $100 to $200 per no spend weekend. Number 4. Pick up one side gig this month, like DoorDash, Uber, TaskRabbit, Fiverr, dog walking. Even 10 hours of extra work at 15 per hour equals to $150 per month. That is 15% of your goal for just one weekend of effort. Number 5. Redirect your next paycheck extra money. Look at your last paycheck. Was there any spending that was not absolutely necessary? Like dining out, impulse buys, subscription, entertainment? For just 30 days, redirect all that directly to the savings. Now, where do you actually keep your emergency fund? This is very important. Rule number 1. Keep it in a separate account, not your checking account. If it is mixed with your everyday money, you will spend it. Rule number 2. Use a high yield saving account. A regular saving account pay almost zero interest to 0.01%, but high yield saving accounts pay 4% to 5% in 2026. On $1,000, that is $40 to $50 of free money every year. The best option right now are Marcus by Goldman, Ali Bank, Sophie, and Discover Online Savings. All are free to open with no minimum balance. Rule number 3. Automate your savings. Set up an automatic transfer of $33 per day or a weekly transfer of $250 from your checking to your saving account. When it is automatic, you never have to think about it. Here is your challenge right now today. I want you to open a free high yield saving account and make your very first deposit. Even if it is just $10 to $20, the act of starting is everything. Then drop your starting amount in the comment below. Tell me that I am starting my $1,000 emergency fund with $10, $20, $30, or so on. Let's hold each other accountable. If this video helped you, smash the like button, subscribe for more videos every Tuesday and Friday, and I will see you in the next one. Your wealth truth starts with one decision. Make it today.